So most of you Voyager owners know that these bins, when you close them, because it's just plastic here and plastic here, they're not really waterproof. So when you wash your bike, you got to take all of this stuff out. Water is going to get in, run down, go out the little drain hole. And I got a little fed up with that, being that not waterproof. So what I did was use some of this leftover U-channel rubber stuff that I've had for quite a while. I actually bought it for the Saab to go on a certain part. However, it was too small, so I had to order one twice the size. But this has been laying around for a while, and I used this on the other bin. So I still need to do the one I just showed you, but the finished product looks like this here. So we have this rubber going around here, and of course I'm going to let this sit for a few days with this closed. I was pinching against it. The one point that I wasn't able to cover, of course, is the hinge, but at least with the water coming down, most of it will be deflected away, and it won't be keep filling up this cavity every time I wash it. So that comes out quite nice. Everything closes fine. That makes a sort of watertight seal, but a lot better than it was. And I just need to do this one right here. So let me go ahead and do this. And what I normally do with this stuff, it's hard to make that turn, is I'll come off of here all the way around, all the way up to this first bend, and then this section here, I'm not going to go ahead and try to get anything in. So let me go ahead and get this one on, and I'll show you how it came out. So it is a bit fiddly, especially around these 90 degrees. Just make sure you push the material into the corner. It makes the 90 degree a bit better, along with these angles here. Again, I'm going to go ahead and close this up and let the door basically hold it in place while this basically forms itself overnight and cools off. And then it should be a lot more waterproof than it originally was. But this is just one of the things you can do. Anyway, I'll put the part number for this molding on there. Of course, I got it from Amazon. It's not expensive at all. You can get the length you want. Originally, I bought 10 feet of it. And you can get the shorter 5 foot if you want to, because I use it for other things. But that's it for this one, guys. So you know what to do. Like, subscribe, smash that like button. Maybe go ahead and think about subscribing. And I'll catch you on the next YouTube video. And thanks for watching.